Hello everyone, it's your boy Red Effect. Let me teach y'all how to make a popular military channel right here on YouTube and bathe in them YouTube money. As long as it has anything military related, you are good to go. Just put some explosions and you are good to go. No one will look at that anyway. This is the most important step. You have to do deep research and find the best possible article title. Actual content of the article does not matter, but remember, it has to be military related. This is good example. Now all you have to do is copy the article and paste it in any text-to-speech program, the worse the better. Just find stock footages of the topic you are using. For example, let's say you chose one of many juicy F-35 articles. All you have to do is search F-35 videos and download the first ones that pop up. Randomly put them in your video editing software, preferably Windows Movie Maker, and put the text-to-speech voice you have, and try to stretch it out to 10 minutes for them extra revenue. And the video is done. This one is the second most important step. You need to find a picture of the topic, and listen closely. Arrows and circles are the key element of the thumbnail, so let's say again you chose one of those juicy F-35 articles. You need to find any picture of F-35, and use at least one arrow and one circle in your thumbnail. Question marks are a good thing to put as well. The best thing about circles and arrows is that you can literally put them anywhere on the picture. It simply does not matter at what they are pointing at. Upload that to them YouTube on bathe in money. Oh yeah baby, nom 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 nom, give me all that money, let me buy a new Lambo. Oh yeah, that's good. That is it. Thanks for watching. Now get to work, that money ain't gonna make itself.